China released its revolutionary J-36 sixth-generation fighter jet into the world in December 2024. The first light of day in Chengdu on December 26, 2024, revealed an unknown aircraft shape that glided silently among the shadows. Recent years had been marked by rumors of an unknown aircraft that would trigger speculation, and that speculation finally became a reality that morning. The inaugural flight proved to be both a demonstration and a worldwide challenge to future aerospace innovation. When the J-36 entered the world stage, it immediately became the center of worldwide attention. This represents the biggest combat aircraft China has developed, which is 23 meters long with 19 meters of wingspan. Its unconventional design was the main reason people started discussing it. The double delta wing design of this aircraft represents a revolutionary departure from standard fighter jet configurations because it lacks vertical tails. This aircraft was specifically designed to achieve stealth capabilities in addition to high-speed operations and advanced warfare functions. The makers of the J-36 deliberately chose this specific time to make it public. China presented its most advanced fighter development 14 years after the initial J-20 stealth fighter announcement. The first testing flight operated during the daytime over Chengdu as a two-seat J-20 fighter plane accompanied another J-20 as a chase aircraft. The aviation community stood in disbelief because of the aircraft's sophisticated technology and China's rapid pace of development. Bill Sweetman described the aircraft best when he declared that this fighter jet exceeded standard fighter jet capabilities. Chinese combat aircraft design has evolved to its greatest extent in more than 30 years. Why does China need a sixth-generation fighter? The Chinese Air Force continues to grow rapidly, yet its expansion goes beyond aircraft production because it requires leadership in the air superiority competition. China needs to develop its sixth-generation fighter due to escalating Indo-Pacific tensions, U.S. military assertiveness, and technological advancements in military capabilities. The U.S. Next Generation Air Dominance Program is the country's platform for developing a sixth-generation fighter jet. However, funding difficulties and project delays have slowed its progress. The J-36 fighter jet from China surprised the world when it debuted much sooner than expected. Chinese military objectives exceed the pursuit of matching Western air capabilities. The Chinese military aims to achieve aerial superiority with modern technology and tactical innovations while leveraging their industrial output capabilities. The J-36 has been developed for national fighter combat superiority and global military aviation export capabilities to extend Chinese influence worldwide. The J-36 distinguishes itself from other aircraft while competing against Western fighter planes. The J-36 distinguishes itself through its three-engine power plant, which remains rare in current fighter jet design. The J-36 achieves speeds reaching Mach 1.8 to Mach 2.0 through the activation of its center engine, which operates in addition to the regular flight control of the two external engines. The J-36 operates with superior speed and efficiency compared to traditional fighter jets with two engines. The J-36 stands alone among fighter jets when it comes to stealth capabilities. Fighter jets typically use vertical stabilizers, yet these elements create detectability issues on radar screens. The J-36 operates without vertical stabilizers because it uses advanced thrust vectoring and moving control surfaces, enabling stable flight operations and effective maneuvering. Then there's its stealth skin. A revolutionary material technology covers the aircraft, employing flexible surfaces that actively redirect radar waves. This aircraft can make itself undetectable by radar signals through dynamic real-time operation. The internal weapons bay enables the aircraft to transport a heavy payload, which does not affect its stealth capability. The stealth characteristics of the J-36 will allow it to execute dangerous missions deep inside enemy territory while maintaining obscurity. Operation of the J-36 ensures compatibility with drone swarms and its advanced stealth capabilities. Real-time coordination between the J-36 aircraft and unmanned aerial vehicles (UAVs) results in extended operational territory as it reduces risks for human pilots. Through its AI-based drone control system, the J-36 establishes airborne dominance that optimizes offensive maneuvers while bolstering defensive capabilities. The J-36 maintains a standout feature that simultaneously allows it to fight against multiple targets without human intervention. The fire control AI system of the drone operates better than pilots do when detecting and prioritizing threats for neutralization during high-speed combat operations. The aircraft's hypersonic missile launch capability enables it to hit targets before adversaries can respond. The J-36 has powerful electronic warfare abilities which, when combined with its autonomous multi-target engagement system, makes it an extremely difficult aerial combat opponent. Modern air combat requires more than just fast aircraft with stealth capabilities. It demands superior intelligence capabilities and electronic warfare systems. The J-36 aircraft incorporates China's most cutting-edge artificial intelligence system that enables threat evaluation while coordinating drone operations and providing swift combat choices. The J-36 possesses the Dragon Cloud electronic warfare suite that enables the system to jam enemy radars while disrupting communications and hijacking enemy drones while they're in flight. The J-36 incorporates a distributed sensor system that transforms every part of its body into one massive radar network and data collection center. The J-36 fighter jets demonstrate capabilities that allow them to compete against both the F-22 Raptor and the upcoming NGAD fighter of the United States. The J-36 stands to outperform American fighter jets thanks to its AI combat system, superior electronic warfare capabilities, and advanced stealth technology. The development of quantum computing integration by China into J-36 systems aims to provide an enhanced ability for processing massive battlefield data instantaneously. The J-36 three-engine design enables it to outperform Chinese fighters by extending its operational range. This fighter jet has established a combat radius of 1,100 kilometers before refueling. Yet, it can execute missions exceeding 2,500 kilometers without additional fuel, making it one of the world's most extended-range stealth fighters. China requires new aircraft to project power in the Indo-Pacific region without depending on mid-air refueling operations. The J-36 model achieves extended flight reach, enabling it to travel vast Pacific distances and reach U.S. Guam bases without requiring external fuel replenishment. China gained knowledge from the United States about the necessity of producing aircraft in large quantities. The production speed of the F-22 program remained slow, which reduced the number of aircraft available. China has intensified its stealth aircraft manufacturing capacity at an unprecedented rate. Reports show that Chengdu Aircraft Corporation produces J-36s at an unprecedented rate, while China is aiming to manufacture more than 400 units by 2035. The sixth-generation stealth fighter production by China extends beyond domestic needs as they prepare to export these aircraft to other nations. The nations which had previously acquired their aircraft from America, including Pakistan and multiple Middle Eastern states, could now shift their purchases to Chinese next-generation warplanes. The Western militaries face significant concerns about China's production rate of advanced aircraft. The U.S. faces high development costs and lengthy production schedules for fighters. Still, China achieves rapid mass production of advanced fighters, thus gaining greater fighter numbers. With AI, quantum computing, and electronic warfare evolving at breakneck speed, the J-36 isn't just keeping up, it's setting the pace. While the U.S. is still working out the kinks of the NGAD program, China is already flying its sixth-gen fighter. As China continues refining the J-36 and ramping production, the global military landscape will undoubtedly be impacted. Nations aligned with China may seek access to this next-generation fighter, further shifting the balance of power. Meanwhile, Western countries must accelerate their advancements to keep up, leading to a new era of technological competition in air combat. One thing is crystal clear: China isn't playing catch-up anymore, it's leading the race. Let us know your thoughts in the comment section below, and remember to subscribe for more videos like this.